I don't want to drive a fancy car today. I don't want to ride in a red Corvette. I don't want to jog my Saturday away, but I don't want to go home yet.
Today is not the day to jump out of a plane. I don't want to parasail or play roulette. I don't want to risk it all or go insane, but I don't want to go home yet. I just want to watch the birds go by from my handy foldable blue canvas throne. I want to watch them fly and fly and see them soar up into the unknown. But I feel just like a nerd watching birds, watching me here all alone.
I don't want to break balls or learn taekwondo. I don't want to fish till all the fish are gone. I don't want to roller skate even if it's slow. I don't want to pass out in a marathon.
I don't like soccer, baseball, track or field. I'm not up for a match of polo. I don't want to seek or try to stay concealed. I'm also not up for water polo. I just want to watch the birds up there, track the migratory patterns that they flow. I want to watch them from my chair, with my binoculars, my latte and my phone. Trying to spot a lark in the park, parked in nature all alone.
Alone here with the doves and the sparrows and the ospreys, the owlets, the eagles and mice.
It's just me and Mr. Finch, the robins, the kingfishers, the snipes, though I heard they don't exist.
Each little species in its little way can teach me what awaits you if you can get away. I wanna watch the birds do what they will, so you find ornithologically prone. I wanna watch from somewhere undisturbing, quiet, calm, still. Sit right here and gaze at the unknown. I don't wanna fly in the sky, I just wanna be alone.
It's not a big deal or anything.
I just wanna be alone. Please! What a good thing we did!
I am so honored to be doing a cover of one of the songs from my Ultimate Storytime tour with Dodie Clark. Oh my goodness gracious, Dodie. This is beautiful.
I love this song. Thomas sent it to me like every text. He was like, I think we could cover like something from my musical.
Yeah.
And then I just listened to it and was just like, oh, well, I'm in love.
It was amazing. We also did a song on Dodie's channel. She wrote it. It's magnificent. I cry every time I think about it. No, seriously. If you're interested in watching that duet on Dodie's channel, click over here. If you're interested in the soundtrack to Ultimate Storytime, including the original version of Birds, click down here.
Recommend it.
I
So
know.
cool, so cool.
Thank you. And also, if you're interested in becoming featured fan, click over here. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Dodie. And until next time, take it easy, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Peace out.